Is LM Studio bogging down your startup? You're not alone. Many users face this frustrating issue. In this video, we'll show you how to stop LM Studio from launching automatically and reclaim your RAM. Let's dive into the settings to simplify your startup process. First, open the Task Manager. In Task Manager, find the Startup tab. Here, you'll see all the programs that launch upon startup. Locate LM Studio on the list. Right-click and select Disable, easy as that. Now, restart your computer and breathe easier. Your RAM is back in action. You did it! You've streamlined your startup, freeing up valuable RAM. For more tips on optimizing your computer, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, a fast computer makes for a happy user. Thanks for watching. Let's keep your tech running smoothly. Check our channel for more practical guides like this one. See you next time. Stay tuned and take control of your digital world.